Hey, what's up guys, my name is David from Litex and today I'll show you how to change your Facebook name on mobile, iPhone or Android. Doesn't matter because you will have for both the Facebook app. So what we are going to do right now, we just have to open the app and we should hit our menu from the bottom right corner. On iPhone is located on the bottom and on the Android is located on top, but it looks the same. So let's open up the menu and now we have to reach settings and privacy. You can locate that all the way down, so let's hit that. And now we have to go to settings and we're almost done. We have to hit now account center from the top, but press on password and security. And now you should see your name, your profile, your picture. I'll press on my name and again I'll have to press on my name and now on name. And now I can easily edit my first name and my last name. Also I can add a test middle name if I want. Don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave a comment with your thoughts down below right under this video. Please have a great day.